The engine is an enigma for the 2024 Kia Mohave pickup. But as we discussed earlier, there are several suspects for that function. There are two courses for the Kia pickup's growth. One is an SUV-based method, and one more is a design rip-off of the Hyundai. It is difficult to identify which is superior, and also Kia executives manage whatever. As a mid-size truck, the Telluride would take on the Toyota Tacoma, Nissan Navara, and also GMC Canyon. The SUV's V6 engine is ideal for this class of car. It can be powered by a 3.8-liter engine producing 291 horsepower. The unibody suggestion has a drawback. This design of architecture sustains the Honda Ridgeline, and it has far lower sales than the remainder of the fleet. Although this idea causes a livelier trip, the towing capacity is below average. Santa Cruz, on the other hand, is a member of the brand new segment of small vehicles. Below, there is still not much competitors. The only various other selection is the Ford Maverick. These versions are provided by organizations as compact delivery van for metropolitan areas. As a result, they won't offer excessive power or towing. Fuel economic climate as well as agility are the primary priorities. Consequently, whatever will certainly depend on the market niche that the 2024 Kia pickup lorry will go into. The 3.8-liter engine with 291 horsepower will unquestionably power the midsize vehicle. We think that a towing capacity of 6,500 to 7,000 extra pounds, which need to be sufficient, is possible. An 8-speed transmission includes the engine. For a greater off-roading experience, the business also supplies AWD as well as the X-Pro alternative. Such an enhancement can enhance Kia's chances in the modern world. An additional choice is a 4-cylinder engine with less cylinders. Such a powertrain may be the base model for a mid-size truck or the common engine for a little pickup. The same 2.5-liter engine that powers the Hyundai Santa Cruz has 191 horsepower. If you're searching for an economical vehicle, this isn't as well terrible. In addition, even if hybrid powertrains have not been introduced to the globe yet, do not rule them out. A lot more vehicle manufacturers are choosing to build all-electric vehicles today. We think that a battery pack of 100 kilowatt-hours would certainly be adequate to offer the Kia Mohave pickup lots of power. This would certainly additionally provide a range over 300 miles on a single fee. But if they choose to go a bit overboard and include a 150 kilowatt-hour battery, after that you've got yourself a mean-looking equipment. The 2024 Kia Mohave pickup truck still does not have a price. It will rely on the powertrain option and a few other details. However, we expect it to be between $30,000 as well as $35,000. There is some major competition in the midsize section, so their work is suitable them. The launch day need to be in the autumn of 2023.